Sorry for the glitch, it worked. Thank you so much. We got through. And let's see if I can change the slides. Yeah? Oh, that works too. All right. So let's talk about Near Data Stack. It's basically a set of tools that allows you to get access to the whole blockchain history and query it. It all started with the modification of the indexer node. It's basically a full blockchain node that you can modify with the Rust code. Extract the data from each block as it gets finalized on chain, and store it somewhere. So that was the beginning. And then later, we introduced, last year, we introduced a Near Lake. It's a way to stream blocks to your server, which is actually 25 times cheaper than running your own node, and it's much faster, much easier to maintain. It's actually a full storage of all Near blocks in JSON format that follows Near core schema, so it's fully compatible with the internal formats of the blockchain node. It's capable of streaming 300 blocks per second to your server, and actually sometimes even faster. We already have more than 100 indexers running on the mainnet in a lot of different languages, including JavaScript and Rust that we support officially, and then community built. And thank you, community members, for contributing, Python, Go, Ruby, and some others. And we see more. And the most important thing here is that this Near Lake is always up to date with the network. We make sure it's always the case. And we also migrated Explorer, Near Explorer to use Near Lake. Most of the blocks on Near blockchain are indexed using JavaScript indexers. And so today I'm happy to introduce the Near Lake primitives library that makes it even easier for you to build indexers. You don't have to learn a lot about the internals of Near blockchain, receipts, how events are stored, etc. We brought a lot of helper methods for you so that you write much less code and you can access all this data much easier. It's already available in NPM as a JavaScript library, and Rust will be available later this month. Sometimes you need to be alerted about things that are happening on the blockchain. So if you happen to be building an indexer just for that, we also got you covered. What you can do is you can log into pagoda.co and create an alert on all the things that are happening on blockchain. So we support triggers for successful and failed actions. We support events, function calls, and account balance changes. You can then, once you set up the alert, you can set up a destination for that alert. It could be a webhook, and then you can build pretty much any logic you want. There's also a Telegram and email support out of the box. And if you ever miss the alert, it's available on console for you to see. Many dApps require access to tokens, to user tokens, FTs, NFTs, Near balance. So we have a solution for that as well. Last year, we introduced Tokens API at last NearCon. And since then, we improved its performance and added support for all the fungible tokens that were created before the NAP standard for fungible tokens was approved on Near blockchain. So we support all the popular tokens. And if you create a new token yourself right now, if it's following the standard, it will appear in that API almost immediately. We have interactive docs on Pagoda, and you can grab an API key and try it out. And building custom indexers require you running your own infrastructure, right? You need to have a server in the cloud. You need to have a database running. You need to have an API to serve data to your front ends. And you need to scale all of that to sustain the traffic of, hopefully, a mention of your project on some popular magazine, right? So today, I'm thrilled to announce the new Near Query API. It's a fully managed serverless platform to build indexer functions in the cloud and get GraphQL APIs for that. In our first version, we're focusing on empowering developers on Near Boss. So what we did is we created a bunch of widgets that could be used to develop indexers right inside of NearBoss. You don't have to leave your browser. You don't have to leave your tab. You don't have to install anything on your laptop. You just go to NearBoss. You write the indexer code in JavaScript, which is just one function. And here's the example of the indexer function for extracting near posts from NearBoss, right from the blockchain. And you also submit the database schema on-chain right away. This is a DDL schema, SQL DDL schema. We support Postgres out of the box. We'll add more databases later. The code and the DDL schema is stored on-chain. So it's the same experience as building widgets. And once you store the data on-chain, we spin off an indexer function for you automatically. We create a database for you, and we generate a GraphQL API that is instantly available, and you can go to Playground and see what's going on in like whether your indexer is working properly. And while the indexer catches up with the network, because you could have asked to start indexing, let's say, 2 or 3 months ago or right from Genesis, while it catches up with the network, you can already integrate this GraphQL endpoint into your widgets on NearBoss. Again, not leaving NearBoss tab on your browser. You can also write logs from indexers to make sure they work properly. And you can watch the status of the indexer at which block it is at this very moment. The team is working extremely hard, and thank you to the data platform team. They've worked extremely hard to make these widgets working. The invite-only access to NearBoss widgets builder for indexers will be available in April. Subscribe to our waitlist, and to make sure we will notify you. And I'll be at the booth, or near booth, tomorrow morning. So if you want to chat about your use case, and not necessarily about Query API, but also about NearLake and any other data needs that you have, I'm happy to talk about your use cases. Thank you so much.